Hey, it's Shay back again, and in this video I want to show you some of the numbers of a campaign I've had running for a little while, doing some great consistent results. And this is actually something that I only usually keep and show to my students, but right now I'm making it available for you to check out as well, because I really want to prove to someone who perhaps hasn't made any money online, maybe you've made a little bit of money online, but you are looking to get to that next level. This video is to prove that it is still possible. If you know what you are doing, you have a team or somebody who knows what they are doing, and they are able to give you some of their time to help you create a successful campaign and make real money online, it's possible. You can do it right now today. But I just want to jump in right now to one of the networks here that I use to make money online right now and run this campaign that I'm talking about. And this is just one of the networks that I use. I use many others. I almost can't even keep count. More than one or two hands worth of different networks that we use. And that piece of information right there, by the way, is a key pointer in finding real online money making success and having true stability online. It's just about not having all your eggs in one basket is basically what I'm trying to say. When you have an amazing traffic source and you're able to send visitors to just about anything you want, you certainly do not want to be sending all that traffic to one specific network. You know, you have to spread it out, and I'm not going to go any further into that because that is part of what I teach to my students. But right now, I just want to show you more results that I've been getting with campaigns I've been running in this network specifically. So this one's just defaulted to the past 7 days. As you can see, 7 of 7. I'm just going to go back and show about half a month. So we'll go, let's say, back to the 5th of October. We'll just run that campaign, the reports for it. And now, okay, so we've got 15 days, so around half a month. And I'll just scroll down here so you can see. All right, so just, cruise through these results. I'll just go through some with you. So back on the 5th of October to the 19th, today is the 19th, not quite finished. We're roughly just over half the day, so it's looking like a great day again so far today. And this is just in this network, as I was saying, with one specific traffic source that I'm using to point some traffic to this campaign. So as you can see, I'll just rattle off some of the numbers here. 166 on the 5th, 601 on the 6th, 328, another 100, 300, 658, 400, 389, 353, $420.30, 586, $708 in one day made right there, 200, and again on to today, 514 so far. And the point again I'm trying to make in this video is to show you these results to prove to you that, again, if you know what you are doing, anything is possible online. And I mean that, I know that goes for anything, but specifically online, it's difficult, of course, if you don't know what you are doing, because there's so much information out there. Everybody wants you to buy their latest and greatest thing, but at the end of the day, you have to stick to one specific thing and keep at it until that thing is successful. And if you have someone who is already successful doing something that interests you, you need to model that person, follow them, try and ask for their time. That's exactly what I'm providing right here. My team and myself are here to support you to create campaigns like this, okay, that do numbers like this. And again, this is just one of the networks that we run traffic to. You can check out other videos on my channel and you'll see other networks we use as well. So right now I'm giving you the opportunity to create campaigns just like this. I really don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to keep this open for, but if you are serious, all you have to do is take action. Click the link in the description right now. Find the link right at the top of the description of this video. It will most likely be a bit.ly link. It's just a really quick link so you can quickly jump over to my site. And I'll actually jump over to my site right now, just so you can see exactly what you will be on when you get there. So on the site here, this is exactly what you will be seeing. Then all you have to do is enter in your best email address right here on the site. As soon as you've done that, click the button, click the instant access button right here on the page, and that will give you instant access to everything I'm doing. Look out for an email from me, my welcome email, in your inbox, or find it in your own email as soon as you've entered in your email address and clicked the instant access button. I'll have a reminder on the page after you enter in your email to go check your own email address. But it's really important. Go open that welcome email. I'm going to have some awesome stuff, some insider information that usually only my students get to see. Let's get you to that next income level. Let's get you making your first dollar if you're not there yet. So take action right now. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the inside really soon.